Have you ever pondered upon the dual nature of scientific advancements, the capacity to both create and destroy? Today, we dive into the life of Fritz Haber, a man whose work embodies this paradox. Born in the year 1868 in the city of Breslau, Germany, which is now Wrocław, Poland, Haber was a chemist by training, receiving his education at Humboldt University. His name is etched in the annals of history for his groundbreaking work on the synthesis of ammonia, a feat that earned him the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1909. His research revolutionized agriculture, offering solutions to pressing issues related to food production. But the same scientific genius also led to the creation of chemical weapons used in the Great War, marking a dark chapter in human history. So buckle up as we navigate the life and times of Fritz Haber, a man of science, a man of contradiction. Venturing into the realms of chemistry, Haber's most notable achievement is the synthesis of ammonia, a breakthrough that revolutionized agriculture. Born in the late 19th century, Fritz Haber was a curious mind who dared to challenge the boundaries of scientific exploration. His work on ammonia synthesis in particular marked a significant milestone in the field of chemistry. But why ammonia, you might ask? Well, it's all about nourishing our world. Every living creature needs nitrogen to survive. Plants get their nitrogen from the soil, but natural supplies are often inadequate. That's where Haber's invention comes in. By allowing us to produce synthetic ammonia, Haber's process replenished the soil's nitrogen supply, providing essential nutrients for plant growth. This scientific breakthrough not only enhanced agricultural productivity, but also offered a solution to the pressing issues of food production. Suddenly, we could grow more, feed more. In 1909, Haber's contributions to chemistry and agriculture were recognized with the Nobel Prize. But his story doesn't end there. While Haber's work in chemistry brought about agricultural development, it also had a darker side. A shadow was cast on his legacy with his involvement in the development and use of chemical weapons during World War I. Haber's scientific genius was harnessed not only to feed the world, but also to fuel the machinery of war. He was instrumental in the creation of poisonous gases for the German military, a stark contrast to his life-giving work in agriculture. One of the most chilling instances of this was during the Battle of Ypres in 1915, when the German forces first used chlorine gas as a chemical weapon. This lethal gas, when inhaled, spelled doom for unprotected soldiers on the battlefield. The deployment of such a horrifying weapon marked a turning point, sparking international condemnation and ushering in an era of serious debate on the ethics of chemical warfare. This darker side of Haber's work led to international condemnation and a serious debate on the ethics of chemical warfare. The life of Fritz Haber presents a stark paradox, a scientist who both nourished and destroyed life. This paradox is seen in Haber's contributions to the world. On the one hand, he revolutionized agriculture with his work on the synthesis of ammonia, a crucial component of fertilizers that help crops grow. His discovery was a boon for farmers worldwide, increasing agricultural productivity and solving food production issues. But there's another side to Haber's legacy, a darker, more grim side. He also played a significant role in the development of chemical weapons during the First World War. The same man who nourished life also created tools for its destruction. The chilling effectiveness of chlorine gas, first used by German forces during the Battle of Ypres, marked a turning point in warfare and sparked international outrage. Fritz Haber, a figure of contradiction, indeed leaves us with a thought-provoking question. How do we reconcile scientific advancement with ethical responsibility?